Yeah, like right after it.
Oh my god. I don't think I can. You might have to jack up the... Oh, frick. Three, we might have to... Oh my god. My... What? Brady.
Huh?
Alright. So right here?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna do it right here, alright?
Alright. Just make sure you don't get like the
Alright.
frame or whatever.
You get what?
The frame or whatever.
Alright.
Wow.
Am I straight? I don't know, right? I can't tell. There's no room in here. Yeah. Are you sure? That's pretty straight.
Can you go check the air?
That's right, you're running low.
Alright, well I gotta wait a minute.
Now his whole exhaust is gonna fall down.
What?
His whole exhaust is gonna fall down.
Alright, so good news, it won't be hanging because we have a hanger right before that. So he's gonna finish what he's been doing. And that's being beautiful and cutting the exhaust pipe. Thanks, Ev.
If this falls in my head, I'm gonna kill you. What?
Are you not through it yet?
No.
Oh, my chips just fell. Oh. Is it dirty under there?
Damn standard.
Huh?
Nothing.
I heard what you said. I just felt like saying, huh? Shaking that heat shield thing off?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Oh shit.
So you can cut it?
Yeah. There's no way I'm gonna end up cutting that.
You got turbo, bro?
What?
What in the butt cheek are you doing? What kind of thing are you using? Metric or?
Hold up. Dude, this is so freaking.
Are you using metric?
What am I using?
Are you? Alright, we're gonna see what it sounds like off of a cold start. This is what it sounds like on a takeoff. exhaust, we are adding that pipe there. I was gonna get an exhaust tip, but that would have been about $65 for this whole thing. And I kind of can't spend on my money because I have to spend it on other stuff like a new timing chain, and now I don't have enough for that. But we're gonna get straight to the freaking connecting and the freaking straight piping, man. Right, Seth?
Oh yeah.
All right, we're putting it under. Hang on, I gotta get this other thing on. Alright, I couldn't get that red thing off, so here. Nice. Here, let me do my car sound effect. Ow.
Alright. What?
I wasn't done. I was just about to do my turbo.
Get the bag. Just give me the bag. Nice, man. Give me the bag.
Huh.
You wanna get this done?
Oh, yeah, that's all right. I have a hanger over here and most of the clamps over here.
Alright, here's the test. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so scared for that. I don't think it is.
Oh, do that, my.
God dang it. I'm done. We gotta go back. Brady, we have to go back.
What size will we need?
Oh, I'm just cussing up a storm in my head right now. Oh, mother freakers.
We probably should have gotten that other one soon. We're probably gonna need a 7/8, aren't we? What's that one? 1 3/4
too big,
to 2?
though.
So,
What?
is that 1 3/4 to 2?
1 7/8 to 1
What?
3/4.
To what?
To 1 3/4. That guy. Oh man, I had a feeling. All right. Give me the tape measure out of the passenger.
How? I don't.
Out of the passenger seat.
All right, go. No. Cutting a sample piece off so when we go in there, we can get the right freaking length and everything, or width, and all that good stuff. But this thing doesn't want to cut.
Swallowing air, that's why.
Alright, we're back. We got, hopefully, the correct.
Alright, this will work. Pray.
Dude,
Pray
but
that
what
this
about
works.
that clamp we have? It's not gonna fit around that.
Alright, we want to make another trip!
No.
Yeah.
Let's just.
Oh, thank God. Alright. Well, still have to make another trip.
You different size clamp, aren't we?
Oh, gosh. It never fails. Dude, 4th time.
No. Just try.
No. What do you mean?
Listen.
No. Give me a clamp seat.
That's what I'm doing.
Because it was hard enough fitting it over just the pipe.
So what? You just gotta
It's
try.
not gonna work.
You don't know.
See, it ain't gonna work.
Hammer it.
Dude, no. You bend the threads and...
We were literally just there 2 minutes ago.
Alright, let's hurry up and do this. Come
No,
on.
because these bigger clamps cost more.
You want to do this or not?
Let's just.
We
let's just
only
go.
need one.
Well, now we can't get out.
Go through the... God. Oh, hold on.
I don't have a 4-wheeler, buddy.
Oh my... No.
We are back here again. Yes, this is the 4th time today. Seth is in there. We realized that we will need a bigger clamp because we did it for that flex pipe that we have, and the adapter we have is going on the outside of the flex pipe, so it's bigger than the flex pipe. So we're gonna need to get a little bit bigger one, probably 2 1/4, I think. I'm not sure though, but I will let you know. Seth doesn't freaking say anything, but I will let you know what this is. You know, don't call me a ricer, bro, please. I don't want to be considered one, because I don't know, man. I just don't, because like I know what I'm doing, but like I don't have money right now, you know what I mean? And I just wanted it to be loud. So, you know, here he comes, Tevia! My daughter finally coming. You'll get it? Why you always do that with my freaking handle? Sorry. So this is it. Cold start. As you can tell, we have to fix that part right there because it's too low. Yeah, that'll wake the neighbors up.